Hey friends, web browsers are very easy to use in comparison to File Explorer because we can simply open tabs on web browsers. For example, if I have a web browser here, all I need to do is open a tab. I do not need to open a separate window. Now this feature has been introduced for File Explorer too. All you need to do is press Ctrl plus T to open a new tab, or you can click on the plus button at the top here. But what if you don't find this feature? So by now it should be activated on all systems, but if it is not, then simply right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates in the right pane. This is how you can enable the tabs, because when the latest updates are installed, then the tab should be enabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.